So on the 12th of March I was out seeing some various movements, and here they are. So the first spot was Post Hill and Park House, and it was the OZ22, the early 11.55 turned up at 11.49, direct rail service to Inverness Freight SCGS DRS from Motherwell TMD DRS with 37419. Then we go to Camlon to see 6S36, the 1213 close rail route service to Grangemouth Innes from Dalston Oil Terminal with 7813. Then this is 5N91, the early 1339 turned up at 1316 ScotRail service to Edinburgh from Haymarket Depot with 170,404. Then we go to Green Falls where we see ON30, the early 1430 turned up at 1417 DB Cargo service to Grangemouth TDG EWS from Moss End Down Yard with 66109.
Right now they've got...
Yeah, it's 90s.
And then we go to Whifflet, we are coming in as 5S39, the early 1504 turned up at 1459 with a terminating ScotRail service from here, and it was 334023 doing the service. And then coming in is 2R38, the 1504 ScotRail service to Motherwell from Dalmuir with 318254. And then this is 6045, the 1509 GBRF served North Blythe Alcon, GBRF from Fort William Alcon, GBRF with 66737. This is OC66, the early 1153 turned up at 1147, close rail freight service to Grangemouth Innes from Grangemouth Innes via Moss End, and it was 66846. And then this is 5Z37, the 1543 West Coast Railway service to Larbert Nord DGL from Carnforth Steamtown with 37668. And then we go to Cumbernauld, where we see the return of OC66. The early 1228 turned up at 1217, close rail freight service to Grangemouth Innes from Grangemouth Innes via Moss End. And then we go back to Camlin, where we see 1W96, the 1706 London North Eastern Railway service to Inverness from London King's Cross with 800 102. Then we go to Larbert, and this is 1L21, the 1735 ScotRail service to Dundee from Glasgow Queen Street with 158729. And then this is 47854 shunting back into the stock to form 5Z38. This is 1T34, the 1757 ScotRail service to Glasgow Queen Street from Aberdeen with 170-414.
Bit late, but thanks anyways.
And then this is 5Z38, the early 1811 turned up at 1805 West Coast Railway service to Upper Tynesdrum from Larbert Nord DGL with 47854 and 37668.